going to give you guys a quick review of a new detailing creeper seat that I just got by MYCHANIC. This thing has been pretty popular. A lot of other YouTubers have been doing videos of it, so I got it. I put it together earlier this morning, and I'm going to show you some of the features, some of the things that I don't like about it, and I'm also going to put a link in this video of the modified Griot's Garage Creeper that I did last year. You guys, if you watch my channel, you know what I did with that. I did a lot of modifications, and I feel right now, for me, that is my perfect creeper seat. But this thing is pretty well built. It's shaped very similar to a conventional creeper seat that you know, the conventional ones that you've seen all the time. If you went to Sears or Lowe's or any other stores, you'd buy a creeper seat. They sell those for between $59 to $79. So you're getting this new design where it has the extension here, where we have a bucket with a grit guard. You have storage in the bucket, and this thing is super overbuilt. High quality casters. There are no locks on the casters. That's one thing that I don't like about it. And there's a couple of cool things that I do like about it as far as the storage here on the seat for your bottles. And let me just rotate this around. We got an autofanatic decal on there already. And over here you have a little bit of a cubby. You can put a bottle of water, but 16-ounce bottles fit great. I have my modified woolly wormit brush. Fits into this groove perfect. Got a wheel woolly here down below. You know, you got some more bottle storage. Got my detailing clay. Got my Meguiar's 101 foam cut compound. And then looping around, same deal. You got more bottle storage. You got the brushes here and there. So let me get the camera off the tripod. I'm going to show you a little bit more about it. And one of the best things about this thing that I'm going to show you. Guys, so here is the bucket that it comes with. It's a Squirt Bucket. And you got a nice little removable grit guard. Now, the reason I like this is for all you guys out there to have the modified autofanatic wash mop. This is ideal because a lot of guys are having hard times getting the square Rubbermaid buckets that I use, but this bucket works ideal. Let me grab the mop and I'll show you. Here's the autofanatic modified wash mop kit, and as you guys can see, it fits into the bucket absolutely perfect. Perfect size, perfect shape. I liked it, and why I told them to send it to me, because when I saw the design, I right away knew that this would be a good alternative to anybody that's got the wash mop kit and has a hard time getting the buckets. You can use this in a round bucket. It's just a hell of a lot harder, and you're not going to really get good effective use of the grit guard like you see here. So this is why I had them send it to me, and this is why I like it, and this is why I'm showing this product to you. And let's get the wash mop out of the bucket. And I'm going to show you guys can see here, the bucket is molded with these cool little indentations which store your detailing brushes. Perfect. So this is a good little feature. The one thing that I'm not crazy about as far as safety goes is this is exposed metal with no protection at all. So I suggest that anyone that has this tool to go out and get some edge trim. You can pick this up online from a company called Trimlock, and it's got metal inside there that you squeeze, and it's got hard vinyl, and you're going to go around the outside edge like I'm showing you here. It's cold out right now, that's why it's not really forming that well. So you're going to go around like that, and that's just going to give you a hell of a lot more protection if this thing was to slide into your car. That's the thing I don't like about these heavier creepers, is if you have wild kids or a dog, there's a good chance that this thing could go flying into your car, and this, if you look right here, that will cause some serious damage. That's one thing I don't like about any of these metal creepers. I think plastic is a better solution for auto detailing if it's done right. You just need to be really careful with this, because this thing is 40 pounds. This is not a lightweight creeper seat, but it's overbuilt beyond belief. I couldn't believe how strong this thing was when I actually got the box. The bucket is removable. You can see it has a little cubby right there. You got your storage down below, which is pretty good. But like I said, the casters are great. They roll really nicely. I am disappointed that there are no locks on these casters. So you have 3 over here, and I think that is for extra load bearing, because that's where you're sitting. Whereas on a conventional creeper seat of this style, you're only going to get 4 casters, 1 in each corner. Sometimes you'll put your feet down here, and when you get off of it, you'll load your body weight off of this, and eventually you'll start to crack the plastic in the frame, and it'll start to get, you know, pretty junky over a while. And that's just from years of owning those things. But overall, it's pretty cool. Another cool feature I wanted to show you is the seat is removable. Okay, like I'm showing you here. So the seat's removable, and you can put the seat on the floor, and you can use it as a kneeling pad. Now, it's not the softest, to be honest with you, but it'll definitely be a lot safer on your knees than kneeling on the asphalt and the concrete on your driveway. So this is good if you're going to be doing tire dressings and stuff like that on the lower body panels of the car, and you just want to get a little bit lower. This is kind of neat that the seat is injected molded out of like a hard polyurethane. It's probably like a 70 durometer, and you have all these little indents here, so it must be a universal seat. And then you have some ball nipples here that it pops right back in, and you're good to go. So that's my quick little review of the MYCHANIC detailing rig. I think it's great. I don't think it's perfect. I don't think any of these products in this category are perfect. You know, like I said, take it, get it, modify it, and make it the way you want. You very easily could switch out 2 of these casters for locking casters. You could do a couple other things too. You could put more storage. You could drill some holes, possibly get another cubby on this side if you contact the company, and you can just modify it and make it your own. It's kind of like what I do. But the number one thing I suggest is get the edge trim like I'm talking about here. You definitely want to put some protection around this metal frame. I just don't like that. I think that's going to be dangerous. And for all you guys that have the autofanatic modified wash mop kit, this bucket works absolutely ideal. So stay tuned to the channel for more automotive content. Also, I am giving this detail rig away. This is $110. I'm giving it away for free. So go to my Instagram and stay tuned. I'm going to announce the giveaway after this video gets posted live on YouTube, and somebody out there, one of my fans, is going to get it. It's 40 pounds. I am going to give it away to somebody in the New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, tri-state area only. I am not shipping this. It is too big, it's too heavy, and it's going to cost too much to ship. So stay tuned to the channel, and thanks for watching, and feel free to pick one up, and let me know if you guys have it, what you guys think of it. So see you guys later. autofanatic@yahoo.com.